But my youngest, she'll be 3 in August. And it comes with a little hair tie. But here's the details up close. The fabric is actually really nice. It does come with a tie because it's obviously like a little bit wider in the neckline. So that will just kind of help keep it from like falling off the shoulders. But it's really soft actually. Here's the tag. Happy Town, super cute. But the buttons and the quality are all really nice. It's a little bit thicker of a fabric. It's not like super lightweight, so it's definitely like higher quality, but here's just a close-up. And the vibe I was kind of going for was a little bit more cottagecore. And I'll show you my dress next, just because mine and the baby's dress, I would say, are the most similar in pattern. Here's mine. It's like very like House on the Prairie. It comes with a belt, but I think what I'm going to do is probably pair it with like a brown leather belt and wear like brown leather booties with it. It is long. Not sure. I can try to get far away, but this is gingham fabric. But the little ruffles and details are super nice here. It is a high collar, which I'll probably wear it all the way up, and with the brown belt. And possibly I might like wear this in my hair just to try to find a second use for this. But I actually had the hardest time finding my outfit, not from being picky, but just as far as like finding something that coordinated with high, like above 4 stars, because it seemed like everything in this pattern were like, you know, 3.5 stars. But I think that they actually look really nice together because they're different but like not too similar. So there's those two, and then I'll come back with my middle daughter's dress, which is actually my personal favorite, but I also just love this. Obviously it's not laced up all the way, but it is a completely separate piece. So the dress underneath, you know, again, very cottagecore. Here's the back. But how cute is that little corset? And the colors are really beautiful as well. And the little ruffles on the edge of the skirt. But I feel like once this is laced up, I just feel like it's really, really beautiful. The fabric is nice. This is actually a little bit more lightweight than the toddler dress. And I know that they're kind of more fall colors, but we've already done like blues and whites in our last family photo, so we were thinking something a little bit more warm with like the black, the tans and the browns. So it is a little bit fall vibe, but I feel like, you know, this early in spring, summer, you don't have a ton of greenery, so it could still work. Like, it's definitely pretty gloomy today. I don't know. I feel like it'll be a vibe. So then here's these three together so far. Which obviously the black is standing out a little bit, but when you see the others, I feel like it works well together. Just for an example, like this is my husband's shirt and he'll be wearing black pants. So I feel like when that comes together, like, just looks really cute together. So for my husband's shirt. Color your imagination. I don't know. He really likes the lightweight button-ups with like patterns, but nothing too busy. Plus, we're going to Ocean City this summer for vacation. So this is like a nice summer vacation shirt, but it's really lightweight. So it's breathable. And I like that it kind of has that like vintagey floral pattern, but it's not too feminine. And obviously the colors are really nice. My husband's hair is black, so I just feel like this will suit him really well, especially with like a black pair of pants. But you know, obviously you can see the liner, you could see how thin it is, but it's not thin in like a cheap way. It's just like thin in like a lightweight, breathable way. So he has not tried it on yet, so I'm really hoping that it fits nicely. I do have to iron it, but you could see it's still folded from the creases from shipping. But there's that, and then I'll show you mine and his together. Because we're gonna try to do like all different family combinations, but like I feel like if I have that like dark brown leather belt, I obviously know it's like a different style, but I feel like I can like edge this up, and his is like, you know, a little bit more subdued, but I feel like it can be cool. And then my oldest daughter, this dress, which is actually really cute, but it kind of has like a mix of all those colors, and then also sort of brings that like terracotta color from my other daughter's corset like vest back into another look. So I'll grab all three of my daughter's looks just so you can see those together too. Because obviously when you do family photos, there's like all different variations of like group photos, and obviously we'll have one of all three of the girls together. So let's see. But see how the vest sort of like brings them all together? The toddler dress, it's like has a little bit more of like that yellowy tan, which also is accented here in like those lighter flowers, and then again with like the orange tones here. And I don't know, I just feel like, you know, maybe like the baby will wear black shoes because there's like black stripes in the dress as well, so there'll be other accents of black to kind of make the vest make more sense as well. And I was even thinking like I could pair my dress. I have a really nice black corset, which I should have tagged because it's also from Amazon, and I do have a secondary option for myself, which this dress is also from Amazon, but I did not tag it. But it's very simple. I'm pretty sure it's just cotton. This is by Jessica. It's like Jessica with one S and a Z. But this would be really great with a corset, and probably a black one. But I just feel like, I don't know, maybe I bring two looks. My friend is the photographer, so I'm sure that she wouldn't mind. But I don't know, what do you guys think? This dress or this one? I don't have the corset handy, but both are like that similar sort of like cottagecore vibe. So it just depends. I feel like this goes really nicely with the other dresses, and this is just like less House on the Prairie, especially with a corset. So it just, this would be a little edgier and bring more black into it. So I'm torn. Help me. know. Let's see. See, I mean, it is nice bringing another like longer element of black or of brown because of the longer brown skirt here. But I don't want the baby to be like too light either, because then, I don't know, I'll probably like change halfway or something. But I just loved this. And you really don't find things like this for a 5-year-old. Obviously, you know, once it's laced up and everything, I just feel like the quality is really nice. So again, I'll just show for my middle daughter. For the baby, comes with a hair tie, which will be really nice for her because obviously her hair is still kind of like in that growing awkward phase. For my oldest, really nice. Even though it's long sleeve, it is lightweight. And again, which do you like more? I'm gonna grab my other dress again. And then here's my husband's shirt. So like I said, I know that these are different styles, but I think all together as a family they coordinate. Like, is that too much brown? They're different browns, so it kind of works nicely, but what are we thinking? But with the black corset, I mean, that could be really nice, actually. I'm gonna bring both, see what happens. I don't know, figure out maybe how to, I guess I technically could incorporate this as a belt for this dress. I don't know, that's a little weird. And it's not like I have like a light tan shoe. Actually, I do. These are also from Amazon. I got them and wore them for my wedding, but I feel like a granny boot sort of goes with this vibe as well. So we'll see.